This is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, I will show you that if we will go into the display and brightness category of settings and see what values or what is the highest we can go in terms of sleep idle time. The highest value is 10 minutes. Thus, in order to set it to never, we will need to resolve to using third-party or external apps. So anyway, you will need to go for the APK Pure website. That's the website that contains a lot of APK files for apps, allowing us to install the apps that are not at the app gallery. So open it, then at the search bar, type in Caffeine. Here is the app that we are looking for, and unfortunately I've accidentally clicked at the ad, but that's fine. Let me get back real quick. If it of course allows me to do that, or actually it seems like it opened in a new tab, so let me open the list of tabs, close this one and reopen the APK Pure, and it just shut itself down. Nice. Whew. Anyway, so at the search bar, type in the Caffeine query, open the Caffeine app page, tap at the download APK button over there, then download X APK once more. Then once the file download starts, it will ask that you confirm that, so confirm the download like that. Wait for the app or for the APK file to be downloaded first. Then we will just go ahead and install the package. So let's go ahead and install the Caffeine. Prior to doing so, allow whatever web browser you've used to install apps from external sources. Then once the app was successfully installed, you will need to launch it. And make sure that the timeout parameter is set to be at an infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.